you're going to come to the ITS logins page. You're going to scroll down to WebEx. Then you have to click sign in. Over here on the left, you want to click downloads. And you'll see that you have different things you can download, and the one that we want here is the Cisco WebEx Meeting Desktop app. So you click download, then you click save file. I'm using Firefox, and it gives me this little arrow up here that shows me when the download is complete. The bar is almost full now, so if I click this, you'll see there's the app install. So I click that and then click OK. It starts the install and I click next, and then I click accept terms of license agreement, and then click next again, and then finally I click install. Once the files are all installed, I click finish. And over here on the right, you'll see the app has popped up, which allows me to start a meeting or schedule a meeting or enter a meeting that's already in session. And you see right here, I have the meeting that I created using Outlook, and I could start that meeting right now. So there you have another way to add WebEx meetings or WebEx trainings to your calendar in Outlook, and also the app to start them up with.